You are looking at $111,493 in passive affiliate commissions that we make using bots and automations. And the process I'm about to share with you is completely beginner friendly. It can be done by anyone from anywhere in the world, from any experience level, any age, any gender. I will come back to the main control point of this income and explain you how you will make job replacing, predictable and scalable passive income. But before that, let me show you an AI or artificial intelligent bot. It's one of my favorite tools. It writes text or articles without me typing a single word. So the step number one, I just wrote what I want the article about. Why you shouldn't use toilet paper. The topic is a bit controversial, and in a moment I will share why I chose this topic and how I'm going to make money from this. You can copy this too. Oh, by the way, this AI tool is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. They will love you for sharing this information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money online. Hundreds of thousands of other people are making money online every single day, and you can do it too. Start today. So all I need to do is to click generate article and wait a little bit, like a few seconds, and your 548 words unique high quality article is ready. I just wrote another one. It just took few seconds of my time, and it's a 555 words article. It says toilet paper is an environmental nightmare. Now you might be asking, what is the relationship between money and toilet paper? Here is the reveal of the first control points. Hops. Hops are the clicks by real people on our affiliate links. The question is, why do they click our affiliate links? The answer is when they find our content useful and they think they should follow us. And that is why we use AI softwares to generate high value content. Real people click our links, they buy from us, and we make money. In order to generate clicks, we need to put our content in a place where a lot of people hang out and basically ask questions they need to know or they want to know. One of my most favorite places is Quora. Quora has almost 1 billion visitors per month, and most of the visitors come from Google. Now here is an interesting question I saw today and I thought I should share with you. Why do most Indians not use toilet paper? You understand this could be a controversial question, and a lot of discussions, lot of debates will happen between Western people and Indians. So I came to this post, this question, and I found answers. And look at this. This is amazing. This little answer here got 562,000 views. I made $111,000 from only 92,000 views. How much money would I make from 562,000 views? I leave the calculation to you. Now go down below and you will find even smaller and even more vague answers. And all those answers got hundreds of thousands of views. Okay, this one is really small and really funny. Somebody said, let's say Arnold Schwarzenegger, after acting on this scene where his body was covered by mud, he cleaned his body with toilet paper. It's funny and it's not possible. So he made fun of it and got 11,000 views. Now while these are really funny, all I'm about to do is to take this whole thing and go answer. And to make it more natural, I will leave this little bit introductions and give it a little read to avoid any mistake. And I will remove this conclusion as well, as it looks like a formal answer that I don't want it to be. I know when I post this, it looks a lot like a formal answer, but still the point is right. And look at this, I got 1 view immediately. And a lot of people will visit my profile and will click my link and will get access to Epic. So what is Epic? Epic is our lifesaver. You see, we make helpful videos to help people learn how to make money online and a lot other stuff, and we run total 20 plus channels. But all these channels cannot be run with cameras and microphones. So we built our own artificial intelligence software Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes this script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button. Then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome, or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it. I can just click add and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20+ channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. With Epic, I can make YouTube shorts using 3 to 5 minutes of our times, and I can make a toilet paper related video. Look at this. All these videos got hundreds of thousands of views, 3,000 views, 5,000 views. And in our videos, we ask our viewers if they like our video or they want to buy from our store. The links are in the description, in the first comment, and in the bio. We get thousands of views and clicks from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Now here comes the second secret, or the main control point, and it's called conversion. You see here 10% conversion means out of every 100 visitors, 10 people purchase from us. These conversion depends. More the conversions, more the money from less visitors. And it's only possible when your content is of high value and helpful content. This is what we do. We try to give away all our softwares. We try to give away our knowledge, share, and help others with the valuable information they want and they need. In return, we build relationship and rapport with them. They love us, they follow us, and they buy more from us even without trying to sell. So even if you never sold anything online, so even if you have zero experience, by creating helpful information, educational, and entertaining videos and using AI, you can achieve more clicks and more conversion, which will lead to easy money. Now, if you want to make $10,000 a month, then you have to get 10,000 hops. But if your content is good, the conversion will be higher. With higher conversion, you will make much more money with lesser clicks or traffic. That's it. We have given away all our secrets. And all the softwares we talked about are in the description. Go grab it. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online. The easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. They will love you for sharing this information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money online. Hundreds of thousands of other people are making money online every single day, and you can do it too. Start today. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next one.